Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Hang's Diary to complete the Crystal Gathering quest in a Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Adapt update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, if you want to start the Crystal Gathering quest, you need to go to the Crystal Adapt, and then you can talk to this NPC to start the quest. And this is the quest detail. As you can see right here, you need to fish up Hang's Diary. And this is a mythic item, guys, so it's kind of difficult to catch. And if you want to get the Hang's Diary, basically all you need to do is just fishing, and you can find the Hang's Diary in any spot and fish it. You can fish here in the Crystal Depth, or you can go to the Esoteric Depth or the Treasure Room or the Sisyphus Statue of Lost Isle. Yeah, basically you can fish anywhere, but I'll recommend you to fish here because it's near from the NPC. And yeah, I'm still working on it, guys. I'm still trying to catch the Hang's Diary. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Hang's Diary in Fish It game on Roblox to complete the Crystal Gathering quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!